What's going on, guys? I have here a iPhone 6 Plus. As you can see, this phone is open. I decided to make this quick video for some of you guys that decided to open your device up to do any repairs of some sort, or simply just to open it just to see what's under the hood. Now it comes time for you guys to add the screen and you just simply can't figure it out. Not to worry, this does happen if you're a first timer. Reason being is this part, the screen is actually pretty fragile, so you just don't want to add too much pressure. If you do, you're going to end up with a broken screen. Before we begin, you would just want to make sure that all your screws are in properly placed, metal plates on, batteries connected, and screwed in pretty well. Once everything's checked out and A-OK and ready to go, what you want to do is go to the top of the screen. As you can see, the top screen has these hooks, latches. You just want to place them underneath, like this, where it's underneath the phone and it doesn't move. This helps the screen to stay in place. Once it's in there pretty good, as you can see, there's no space between. Once we have that in there pretty well, you move to the bottom of the screen, where you, with little pressure, make sure it's in there pretty well, and it should create like an arch. As you can see, the arch starts from the top to the bottom, and when we get to this part, you want to move your left hand to the left slowly and your right hand to the right to simply close it. And you hear it clip. There you go. We got this part right, and then the other part. As you can see, it's arched, and there we go. It's in. And now before we screw it in, just want to make sure that everything powers on. As you can see, nothing happened. Screen is intact, nothing broken. Now, if you follow these instructions correctly, everything should end in a good manner without a broken screen. Now, once it's powered on, just make sure it's powered off, just to be safe. Now, once it's powered off, now we're going to proceed to adding the screws. Now, for some of you guys out there that think these screws aren't important or just don't want to put it in, now these are important. These screws are what keeps the screen held down. For example, if you were to drop your phone on the ground, your screen would simply pop out without these screws. So it's pretty important if you have these. So try to replace them back. Once you have these screwed in properly, you should be good to go. Power on your device, and from there you should resume using your phone as normal. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.